Jeff Seiler, CSRA Multimedia. I am getting ready to install another interactive film in a kiosk at a local airport, and I just received the film and I'm testing it out. Here's the circuit board connected up to the laptop so that it energizes the film. And I've just got the film laying on a 50-inch TV. The film is designed to be a 46-inch diagonal and the TV is 50-inch. So I'm just checking it and everything seems to be working great. I've got the film here and I'm touching it and all of the interactivity is there. Just clicked one of the links and it's opening that window up, so the film has arrived safely and seems to be working just fine. So the next mission will be to laminate the film to the glass, calibrate it, and install the glass and film assembly into the TV or into the kiosk frame. Jeff Seiler, CSRA Multimedia.